Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ananya and I'm so happy to have you here. I'm so sorry if you can hear a lot of background noise. I have been shooting just with my phone and I'll be getting a mic soon, so we're gonna get that fixed. But for today's video, I just felt like today we should sit down and just do like an unwind with me video because I get ready with makeup every day. So I'll just take you guys through the process of me taking off my makeup and then having a nice little shower, having some tea, just relaxing and unwinding from like a really hectic day. I would love to share how I end the day in a very relaxing way because I think everyone should do that and everyone deserves some rest time, like some me time. So this video is going to be all about that, and as you can see I actually have some makeup on and this is what I do on a daily basis, honestly, and it's very natural, it's very simple, but like once I take my makeup off you will be able to see that I actually had makeup on, but you can't even tell that I have makeup on, okay, because you can see my blemishes, you can see all the redness on my face. I already uploaded a video regarding my everyday makeup routine, so you can also go and watch that if you want to know how I do my everyday makeup routine and doing like a my skin but better sort of makeup routine. So you can definitely go check that out, but today we'll be focusing on taking our makeup off and just relaxing and feeling like that girl at the end of the day, just taking some time for yourself at the end of the day. But today I feel like watching some series, which I was actually watching one. I started watching Maxton Hall, by the way. It's really good. I just feel like having some tea and just relaxing, doing a face mask because my face has been really oily and I just feel like doing a face mask today is going to be great, especially since I'm really trying to like unwind from this long day. So it's around 8 p.m. right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and have my dinner and then I'll be back with you guys to take off all of this makeup and meet you guys after I am done with my dinner. Also, a really quick announcement that I want to get done with is that we recently hit 100 subscribers. I am so happy and I'm so grateful and I'm honestly so thankful for each and every one of you guys who subscribe to my channel and who supports me and watches all my content, comments and interacts with all of my content. I am so thankful and grateful for you guys. Even if it's just 100 people, it means a lot to me because I have always wanted to open my own YouTube channel and it just feels so good that okay, I am creating content and it is liked by, even if it's just like 4 to 5 people who are really interested. I would love to make videos for those 4 to 5 people, and thank you so much for supporting me. It's been like around 2 months since I started content creation, but thank you so much for supporting me and allowing me to grow, and I promise to come up with more interesting content. And obviously you can comment down below if you want to see some specific type of video regarding makeup or skincare or routines, even lifestyle or fashion, and I would gladly do them. Once again, I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you so much. It does mean a lot to me. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment to let me know if you like my videos and what sort of content would you like to see as well, like I said. So because that would really help me a lot, honestly. So without wasting any more time, I'm gonna go quickly finish my dinner and I'll be back. Guys, if you haven't watched Maxton Hall yet, what are you doing? Go watch it. Oh my god. When I tell you I'm blushing every goddamn second when I'm watching it. Oh my god. I am too obsessed. I'm already on episode 4 and there are just 2 more episodes. So I'm so excited to finish it. It's so good. So I'm done with having dinner and just relaxing for a bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and take off my makeup. I ended up beating my lipstick, as you can see, but I'm just going to put my hair up. Go ahead and get my cleansing balm. So this is the cleansing balm that I've been using recently. This is from Miniso. As you can see, I've already used it quite a bit, and it actually, you don't need too much of this product. You just need, like, I'm gonna take this much, like that's all. I think that is enough, you know. And this is a big tub. This is a like really big tub. It has 100 grams of product, I think. Yep, it does have 100 grams of product, and it's going to last you for such a long time because you don't need too much of it. I'm just going to melt it between my, you know, fingers, and I will start removing my makeup. Once I remove my makeup, you're actually going to see the difference between my bare face and my everyday makeup that I do. So let's go. Best part of this cleansing balm is that obviously number one, removes waterproof makeup, like my waterproof mascara. Like there is no mascara residue on my eyelashes right now because I can feel it. So I'm telling you, there is no mascara residue, and it does not burn my eye, which is one of the best things because if you know, I love this cleansing balm, which is from Deconstruct. It's their soothing cleansing balm. I use this, my eyes sting if it gets into my eye, you know, because when you are cleaning eye makeup, you really need to get in there, especially when like using a cleansing balm, because that is what cleansing balm is supposed to do. You're supposed to get in there and clean everything, especially waterproof stuff. But yeah, this one does not sting my eye, so that's a great plus point. The only minus point is that my skin feels a bit oily right now. Okay, like there is this film of oil that I can feel on my face. I'm anyways going to use a face wash, but I'm going to use it when I'm done showering. So I'll quickly go take a shower, brush, and you know, wash my face, and I'll be back after that.